Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Happy Learning with Rimi. This is part 2 video of Project 2, Postgraduate Diploma in Early Childhood and Foundational Stage Education. In this video, I am going to discuss about the unit plan, lesson plan and reports about phase 2 and phase 3. In phase 2, language and literacy, mathematics, world around us, 3 circular areas are given. You have to make one unit plan for each and total number of four lesson plans for each of the subject. And in phase 3, integration of circular area, one unit plan and 4 lesson plan for phase 3. So phase 2, total 3 unit plans and 12 lesson plans you have to make in your phase 2. Themes for unit plan and lesson plans are given as follow. Language and literacy, total 8 topics are given. Mathematics, 7 are given. World around us, total 11 topics are given, but you have to select one for each. Any one from this you can select and you carry out your lessons. Some important points you should keep in your mind that any theme you are picking from that table, and you have to prepare the unit plan for each circular area and 4 lesson plans, because in phase 2 total number of days are 11, and from that 11 days 4 days are preparation days and the other 7 days you have to implement the unit plan and lesson plans. So first 2 days you will be carrying out one lesson only, one lesson plan only, and the next 5 days you have to carry out two lesson plans each day. So total number of lesson plans are 12 and unit plans are 3. Selection of themes for lesson planning, you should take a help of your supervisor to know the concept and topics. So already have been taken or covered in the class to avoid the repetition. So obtain the syllabus from your supervisor and which is being followed in the class, and grade 1 and 2 textbooks are prescribed by the school should be referred by you, and because you are getting 3 observation period, so in these observation period you should ask your supervisor to help you to select the themes and the relevant topics for the lessons. Writing the unit plan, lesson plans and reports. For the unit plan, the format is given as follow. First, you have to write down the curricular area, means it can be language literacy first or mathematics or world around us. The theme selected by you from that table, school in which you are carrying out the activities. Always you have to write down the school name, class, either it can be grade 1 or grade 2, date of the lesson plan or unit plan you are going to make, rationale for selection of the theme, means the justification you have to write down in one paragraph that this theme is relevant to the students. Next one is diagrammatic representation of the unit plan. Simply you cannot draw a box and write down everything. In this phase 2 and phase 3 also, you what you have to do is you should select some shapes, or you should select draw something, and in that you should write down your uh, unit plan about day wise. One sample is given here, circular area mathematics. So topic I have selected here, different shapes. This is my day 1 activity. So method of my activity is discussion, narration or worksheet can be. Resources which I can use is shapes, flashcards, cutouts of the different shapes manipulatives, blocks, toys and different shapes, large drawing paper or whiteboard, markers or crayons, then shape sorting trays or mat. Then some skills also in this it will improve. So first one is cognitive skill, language skill, then fine motor skills, then observation skills will improve with my this topic. And the assessment method for this is oral questions I can ask, worksheet I can give, or formative assessment I can take in this. See, I have given this in one box in different columns. I have written this, but what you have to do is, my suggestion is, as I have selected the different shapes, if you are taking the same topic, what you can do is you can select because you have to write for 4 days. So you can select four different shapes. One can be circle, square, rectangle, triangle. You make different shapes and write down all these things in day wise, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, because in previous slide as it is written here, that diagrammatic format you have to write down your this unit plan, so it should not be in the rows and columns and boxes. Next is lesson plan. So your lesson plan must include the followings. First thing is objectives. So at least three objectives you should write down about your lesson, the content which you are going to teach to your learners, and the process of transaction. That first can be introduction, as you are going. My topic is shapes. So I will introduce my topic to students. Today we are going to learn about the shapes. Do you know how many type of shapes are there? So this can be the introduction. You can write in your way also. Then procedure, what will be the procedure? I can show the PPT, PowerPoint presentation. In that different shapes will be there. So I can show the shapes and I ask the students to give two examples of each as a circle. First one I will say circle. This is a circle. Give me example of circle which you see in your daily life. It can be a clock. It can be a sun. So how I will wind up the my lesson, it should wind up with the activity, as you will give the some toys and different type of toys or shapes to them to sort it out the shapes, and it can be a worksheet also. So your wind up should be your lesson should be wind up with the activity only. Next, resources used, as I wrote in the unit plan. My resources can be PowerPoint presentation, it can be shapes, it can be different type of toys, it can be worksheet. So assessment, how I'm going to take, I can ask the oral questions, I can give worksheet to them to color, to match the shapes, similar shapes or with the name of the shapes, or I can ask the oral questions also. So this can be, everything should include in the lesson plan. Now next is format for writing the report of the lesson plan. So many questions are given here. It doesn't mean that you have to answer all the questions or topic wise you should write the report. It is not like that. In previous video in project 1 videos, I have already given the sample of the report, and project 2 first video also I have given the sample. So what you have to include in this, you just read out these questions and answer, just answer in a paragraph. So detailed report you have to write. You have to start the report with lesson plan number, means which lessons you are writing the report, and circular area also. Name of the lesson plan, which means topic you are writing about the lesson, and detailed report of the lesson plan include, could you conduct the activity or activities as you planned? But because sometimes as a teacher when we are planning something, we are going to class, and what we feel that this is not appropriate for them, and they are not involved in that, so we made some changes in that. If you made some changes, then you can write down in this that these all changes I made, and then it went on well. Or if you did not make any changes, then you can write my activity went on well as I planned it. So if not, what changes did you make? Were the activities age appropriate? Did the children find these interesting? Were all the children engaged and involved in the activity you conducted? Or could you pay attention to all the children while transacting the lesson plan? Did you achieve the objectives stated in the lesson plan? Were the materials for the activity adequate for all the children? Could you complete the lesson plan in time that you had allotted for it? And any other aspect specific to the lesson you want to report about, and modifications that you will bring if you want to transact the lesson plan again. So these all things you should include in your report, but not the topic wise, just all together. So if you want me to present a sample for this report, I can help you in this way also. Please send me a message in comment box. I will present the reports also, unit plan also. If you want me to prepare, I will help you in that way also. Please don't hesitate to send a message, and like and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching.